Hey everybody, it's Andrew with ShelfAware, and I'm working another late night at a factory install. This time I have traveled quite a long way, so I'm with one of my supply partners, O-Ring Sales and Service, and we're at a Ingersoll Rand facility just outside Philadelphia. That's right, with the internet you can go wherever you want, so we're putting the on-hand vendor managed inventory system in this facility, and this is actually a two-part install. The second part's going to Burbank, California. This facility manufactures pumps. We've been here since early this morning. It's getting late into the night, but we're almost done with the go live. So let me flip the camera around. Now we'll show you some of the case study information for this particular install, why Ingersoll Rand's doing it, and I'll show you the go live process that we're going through with them. So hang on. We'll start our very quick tour with a stop at the ShelfAware checkout station. This was my main contribution to this install. That's right, it took me a whole 5 minutes to plug in the power cable and the Ethernet cable, look for the light to turn green, and then I've been sitting around eating beef jerky, drinking Mountain Dew, pretty much. I'm just kidding, I was helping where I could help. The table's nestled inside of about 1,000 SKUs we're onboarding for Ingersoll. These 1,000 SKUs, the main reason, the main pain point for Ingersoll was just the high mix, just crazy parts, a lot of engineered product, different lead times, lots of specifications, and so they were having a terrible time keeping stuff in stock. So with the real-time data, O-Ring Sales is going to guarantee them no stockouts and lean inventory with the ShelfAware platform. The second one is just visibility across various supply chains. So we're onboarding other Ingersoll Rand facilities across the country. The next one's going to be in Burbank, California, and these supply chains are corporately controlled here in Philly. So folks in Philly would love real-time visibility into their inventory in Burbank, and we can give it to them. The go-live process, I've showed you this before, but basically putting RFID tags on these loose parts. We're going to take them over here and mag them and tag them, and then put them back on the shelf. And now the inventory is intelligent. We're using our proprietary software system. It's a web-based platform that we've developed, and a proprietary RFID tag that's embedded in the packaging, and then of course our patented hardware configuration back there. So it's all pretty cool and custom. It's taken us a couple years to put it all together, but it is now a well-oiled machine, and yeah, and it's available for anybody who wants to use it. So give me a call and I will travel with you to your next factory install, making the future of inventory bright and making everybody happy. So anyway, that's it for now. We will get out of here tomorrow, be all done, get back to Kansas City, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.